So this is an early video today. But hey, I managed to make 2 animations and the first one was hard. And the second one is better than I expected. Enjoy.